Microsoft missed the smartphone revolution so badly, it had to stop pretending Windows Phone would save it. The old Microsoft was built around Windows. For decades, the PC was the center of computing, and Microsoft owned the toll road. Then the world moved to phones. Apple and Google captured the mobile operating system layer. Apps, attention, and developers shifted away from Windows. Microsoft tried to fight back with Windows Phone and Nokia hardware, but the ecosystem never reached escape velocity. In 2015, Microsoft announced up to 7,800 job cuts in its phone business and a $7.6 billion impairment tied to the Nokia acquisition. That could have been the end of Microsoft's relevance, but Satya Nadella changed the question. Instead of asking, "How do we make everyone use Windows?" Microsoft asked, "How do we power everyone on every device?" That is why Office moved onto iPhones and iPads. That is why Windows became less sacred. And that is why Azure became central. Cloud computing let Microsoft sell infrastructure, databases, security, developer tools, and productivity software to companies that no longer cared what device their employees used. The comeback was not about winning the phone. It was about owning the layer underneath the phone: identity, cloud, enterprise software, and developer platforms. Azure turned Microsoft from a PC-era giant into a backbone of the modern internet economy. By fiscal 2025, Microsoft reported $281.7 billion in revenue and $101.8 billion in net income. Azure surpassed $75 billion in revenue, up 34%. Now, AI has made the cloud even more strategic because models need data centers, chips, storage, and enterprise customers. The lesson is sharp. Microsoft survived missing smartphones because it stopped worshiping Windows and started selling the infrastructure behind everyone else's future.